Hello everyone and welcome to another easy way video where I'm going to teach you how to change server in Mobile Legends. So once we're here in the main screen of Mobile Legends, the first thing we have to do is to select here our profile picture, and we will route our screen to a profile settings option, and you will see profile, history, battlefield, social, account. You have to press account, okay? So when you press account, in the right side of your screen will appear account center, switch server, switch account, advanced server. So you're going to pick switch server and you will be brought to a screen where you can change the server fast and easy. So basically this is it. So if this video was useful for you, please subscribe, comment, share, like, press the bell in the subscription button, and see you in another easy way video. And remember that we have a lot of tutorials for Mobile Legends, Roblox, Minecraft, League of Legends, Valorant, every game and other stuff. So it's a whole world in my channel. So see you there and keep watching. Goodbye, easy way.